Hello, my name is Julie. Welcome to my channel. You're watching Treasures Made from Yarn, and my very first Things We're Making Thursday video. They have a Facebook group, so I've been on their Facebook group for a while, following that for a while. And I guess this year they're doing slightly different. They're doing themes, and you can probably pick any project within the theme. Last month was slippers. On the Facebook group I shared these slippers. And this is my pattern, and one of my most popular ones are the slipper pattern, which is front post, back post, double crochet. And this is Chanel from Temu, because I felt I had challenged, I had to make a slipper with Chanel because I got a comment on my video that said that they thought it was Chanel and was disappointed, but I'm like, well, why not use Chanel yarn to make it? You could probably use any about 4 to 5 weight yarn, and there we are, a pair of slippers. But they're not too difficult to do, so if you want to actually make yourself a pair of slippers and looking for maybe an additional slipper pattern, check out my pattern. Yeah, and it's squishy because it's like you got the front post, back post on the bottom. So very squishy slippers, especially if you use the Chanel yarn. But however, this month the theme is blankets. And if you have seen a couple of videos back, you would see, actually probably last week, how frustrated I was with this project, because I had already frogged it many times than I can count, because I was trying to do a a shell pattern in the round. I don't know, and I kept messing up, but I eventually went down. It's more of a granny, it's not quite the shell, it's more of a granny square. And it's not quite that, this one's not quite that square. And I don't know if you can see, it's a 3 double crochet shell and 1 single crochet in that shell. I mean, I'm not hating this project. I kind of like the colors. And I like how it feels because I'm using a blanket yarn, and the other one is 2 strands of like a size 3 or 4 yarn held together. I got those here. This I know is a latte cake. This one is, the band is missing, so I didn't know what this was, but whatever it is, yeah, it's fluffy. So I'm gonna go the rest of this and the rest of this blanket yarn and see how big this blanket gets. And this will probably be more of a lapgan or baby blanket. We'll see how big it gets. So, well, that is all. It's a very short video for Things We're Making Thursday. And I'm not sure if I'm going to do this every week now. I'm going to try. So, anyway, if you did like this video, please give it a like. To see more content like this, please subscribe to my channel. I want to thank you always for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye now.